Hey everyone, math and science lovers. Today we're going to explore an amazing mathematical concept using just a strip of paper and a few cuts. This video includes 3 fascinating experiments with the Mobius strip. Experiment 1. How does the Mobius strip have only one surface? Experiment 2. What happens when we cut it in half? Experiment 3. What if we cut it 1/3 from the edge? Step 1. Creating a Mobius strip. Take a strip of paper, give it a half twist, 180 degrees, and tape the ends together. Now you have a Mobius strip. Step 2. Testing the surface. Take a marker and try to draw a continuous line on the surface. What happens? You'll see that this strip has only one surface. Step 3. Cutting the Mobius strip in half. Now, cut the Mobius strip exactly down the middle. Do you get 2 separate loops? No, instead you get a bigger loop with a twist. Step 4. Cutting 1/3 from the edge. This time cut the strip 1/3 of the way from the edge. What do you think will happen? The result is even crazier than before. These experiments show that math is full of hidden surprises. Try it yourself and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool math experiments.